I wanted to go on to IXL just to show you the lessons that you should be practicing. You just go to the search bar and type in the letters PKW. You hit enter. This is the area of a trapezoid. Thinking. There you go. And so the way this works is it says what is the area of the trapezoid. If you need a review, you can watch a video or you can click the down button and it will walk you through an example. And the area of a trapezoid is simply, the area is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So all you gotta do is add base 1 plus base 2. That right there is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then you can take half of that base 1 plus base 2 and then multiply it times the height. So half of 16 is 8. And then 8 times 8, because here's the height. It's not the slant height, but it's the distance that's perpendicular to the base. So 16, half of that is 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. So this should be 64 square yards. Got that right. And then it shows you your point. So I can see all the work that you do even from home. Okay. And I can see how many questions you worked on and how long you worked on them. Okay, so the other one is Y8K. And that right there is the area of parallelograms. Just hit enter. And again, if you need to watch a video to go over it, you can, or you can learn by example. But the formula for the area of a parallelogram is simply the base times the height. We never do the trick slant height. We just do the base times the height. And so this is 9 times 6, which would be 54 square inches. There you go. Again, it shows how many questions you answered. We also have it in Spanish, videos in Spanish, and it shows your score out of 100. The third one is 5HA. And that is finding the area of rectangles, word problems. A square painting has sides that are 2 meters long. What is the painting's area? And so if it's a square, that means it's not a rectangle, it's all sides are the same. And they want to know what the area of the painting is. It's the base times the height. And since the sides are all the same, it's 2 times 2. So this should be 4 square meters. There you go. Again, it shows your scores, how long you've been on the problem, and what your SMART score is. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, the next one. You just type in QMA. This is volume of rectangular prisms made of unit cubes. All right, so this is a word problem. So it says Dominique sells and ships his award-winning fudge to customers all over the US. He is packing individually wrapped cubes of fudge into a box shaped like a rectangular prism. Each fudge cube has a volume of 1 cubic inch. He places 24 cubes in the first layer, which fills the bottom of the box. The height of the box is 5 inches. So looks like they already gave the area because it says he placed 24 cubes. So that would probably be like 6 times 4 or 3 times 8. And so then they're asking for the box's volume. And so in this case, I would just multiply 24 times 5, okay? Because I'm on the computer. And this have it right? Let's see. Oh, look at there. Oh boy. Trying to write with one hand. 24 times 5. I don't know if I get this right. Let's see. Oh, it's going up, okay. 20 carry the 2. And then 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 120. So if I've done this right, 120. Let's see if that's right. I got it right. Okay. Same here. And if you get it wrong, let me do one more show that you get it wrong. I'm just going to put any answer in there. If you get the answer wrong, what it does is it says, sorry, incorrect. The correct answer is 96. And then it shows you the explanation, and then it just works it out. And then that's what happens if any of you get it wrong. Again, you can look at the video in Spanish. Okay, and then the last lesson is WG8. Oops. Did it open up? Yeah, WG8. So this right here is the volume of a rectangular prism that's made of cubic units. And so they're just asking, what is the volume of the object? In this case, you just add up the cubes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But the way this works is the area of the base times the height. So the area of the base would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2, and that's 10, and then times the height, which is 1, so 10 times 1 is 10. So this should be 10 cubic units. There you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yep. And if you have any trouble, just text me back if you have my number. Thanks.